Hi guys, hope you're doing fantastic out there. Today we're going to have a look at this model car, so stay tuned. Welcome back to Model Plastic Kits and Reviews on FB TV Entertainment. I'm Dave Pippin. Today is Friday and we're going to have a look at this model kit, Revell 125 scale, and it's 57 Ford Grizzler. But before we start, I want to say thank you for Jack Sawyer to comment on my opening box review. It's this one here, Revell 59 Chevy Impala hardtop. And if you haven't seen this reopening box review, then click on my channel FBTV Entertainment to have a look. Thank you for Jack Sawyer. One of his comments said, "I cannot wait you to build it and review it." To you guys as well. Once again, thank you Jack Sawyer for comment on my video. I do appreciate it. So yes, so no further ado, let's get onto this model car and show you guys. Here she is, red and grey and blue stripe. There she is. For paint, what I use for this car is Revell, red and grey and blue. I struggled with this car, not building it as such, but for colour. I wanted it to be orange and white, or even yellow and white. But I decided to have a red car, because I haven't had a red car in my model collection so far. But yeah, I'm going to show you for details. First we're going to go out to engine. You can see for indicators are yellow. The bumper is nice and shiny, and that. The grille is absolutely perfect. The headlights absolutely perfect as well. I didn't put any glass lenses in it because I felt it didn't need it. The wheels of the car are red with a silver head cap, and the white circle is actually a decal. It's not actually printed on the tyre. Interior, I use brown and china bluish. It actually looks superb in there. I know you can't see it that much because the window is too small, but you can see the steering wheel with a silver buzzer to beep a horn. This is the other side of the car. You can see the blue and brown seats and that. You can see the boot as well. There's a back chairs there, and that for the boot of it just looks amazing. I painted it the same colour as the chairs, but to me it looks alright. So we're at a back rear of the car. You can see much detail of the interior. There's another car wheel, back one, and what I've done, I used a scaling knife to mark out the fuel tank. It's quite a nice image for me. I never done the scaling knife to get the small gaps. And there's a lovely car boot with a lovely handle, a lovely tail lights, absolutely amazing. The bumper is nice and silver, but to me the red and the blue and the grey looks perfectly. I got used to it because I'm not keen on red cars personally. I don't know why I don't like red cars. Only certain cars what I like in red is perfect, but this one I wasn't keen on it. So the lovely chrome on the hood is absolutely perfect. The hood doesn't open, I glued it. and this car hasn't got no gearbox or no engine in. I don't know why I didn't build for engine. Perhaps I did it on my green car. Roughly the same, but this one is a wagon with a big boot. So yeah, looks wonderful with a blue stripe. About to do a yellow stripe with a red and a grey, but it looks alright with me and you guys, hopefully. So hope you enjoyed that car review, this one with our 1:5 scale 57 Ford Grizzler, but I call it a Ford wagon because of a boot. Point out to you guys, I'm a modeller. I do model cars and other things, but Jack Sawyer said, do you do other model kits? So to answer that question, I do model planes, model ships, battleships, like HMS Victory from Airfix and Revell. I've got 2 of them in my room. I'll probably show you one of them very soon. But yeah, hope you enjoyed this video once again. Press that like button and write your comments down below, and also subscribe to my channel for more future releases. I don't want you guys to miss out on other model cars or even model kits as well. So no further ado, thanks for watching. See you guys soon on model plastic kits and reviews on every Fridays. Till then, see you guys soon. Take care.